Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of at-home skincare with a detailed review of the top 5 best at-home microdermabrasion machines available on the market. Whether you're looking for glowing skin, a solution to blackheads, or a way to combat fine lines and wrinkles, we've got you covered. And as always, you can find the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 4, we have the PMD Personal Microderm Classic. This sleek and compact device is perfect for those who want a simple yet effective tool for exfoliation and skin rejuvenation. It features patented spinning disc technology with aluminum oxide crystals, which work to remove dead skin cells and stimulate cell renewal. The device is lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for those new to microdermabrasion. Design-wise, the PMD Classic is ergonomic and comes with several interchangeable discs for varying levels of exfoliation. It's a great choice for targeting both the face and body, and its portability makes it a favorite for travel or quick touch-ups. However, it does lack the adjustable suction levels and diamond tips found in some of the more advanced options on this list. In terms of performance, the PMD Personal Microderm Classic delivers consistent results, leaving the skin feeling smoother and looking brighter. It's best suited for users looking for a simple and effective way to maintain their skin between professional treatments. While it's not the most feature-packed device, its user-friendly design and reasonable price make it a great entry-level option for anyone curious about at-home microdermabrasion. Coming in at number 3 is the at-home microdermabrasion machine by Unisession. This 2-in-1 device offers pro-grade microdermabrasion and suction for blackhead removal, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. It comes with 3 diamond tips and 2 suction probes, allowing you to customize treatments based on your skin's needs. With adjustable suction levels ranging from 20 to 80 kPa, this machine is suitable for all skin types, from sensitive to oily. The design is sleek and compact, with a beginner-friendly interface. Unisession includes detailed tutorial videos, making it easy for first-time users to get started. The machine feels durable, and its suction power is impressive for a device in this category. It's also great for improving overall skin texture and minimizing pores. While the device excels in performance, its limited number of diamond tips may feel restrictive for users seeking more versatility. Additionally, it doesn't offer advanced features like an LCD screen or automatic modes found in higher-end models. That said, the combination of affordability and effectiveness makes it an excellent choice for those looking to achieve professional quality results at home without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Microderm Glow Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine. This device has garnered rave reviews from over 384,000 customers, and it's not hard to see why. With its patented diamond-safe 3D suction technology, the Microderm Glow ensures a safe and effective exfoliation experience. It's designed to improve skin tone, reduce pore size, and enhance radiance, all within just 4 minutes of use per session. The design is sleek and modern, with an ergonomic pen-style applicator that makes it easy to target specific areas. The machine is compact and lightweight, making it a great choice for users who want professional results on the go. Its compatibility with all skin types, including sensitive skin, is a big plus. While this device is slightly pricier than some alternatives, its clinically proven results and dermatologist-recommended design make it worth the investment. The only downside is that it lacks a digital display, which might make it less intuitive for beginners. Overall, if you're serious about achieving a glowing, youthful complexion, the Microderm Glow is a fantastic option. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Trophy Skin microdermMD. This all-in-one device stands out for its real diamond tip, which provides a spa-level exfoliation experience at home. Designed for anti-aging and acne treatment, the microdermMD is equipped with 3 modes and 8 suction power levels, allowing you to personalize treatments for your skin type and concerns. The standout feature here is the intuitive LCD screen, which guides you through the process step by step. For beginners, the auto mode is a game changer, automatically adjusting suction levels for different parts of the face. The device also includes pore extractor tips and an infuser tip for enhanced skincare product absorption. While the microdermMD is one of the more expensive options, its premium build quality, ease of use, and advanced features make it a worthwhile investment. It's perfect for anyone looking to reduce fine lines, improve skin texture, or simply enjoy glowing skin from the comfort of home. The only minor drawback is its larger size, which may not be ideal for travel. But for at-home use, this is hands down the best microdermabrasion machine on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this comprehensive review helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Got questions about any of these microdermabrasion machines? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay radiant and take care.